in a style that aims to capture the essence and majesty of Psalm 10, reformulated poetically. Why, O Lord, do you stand afar? In times of trouble, hide your face? The wicked, in their pride and scorn, pursue the helpless, leave them torn. Arrogant they scheme and boast, greedy hearts, a ruthless host. They snare the innocent in lies under heaven's watchful skies. The wicked say, God pays no heed. He will not see. He does not need. Their mouths are full of curses vile, deceit and threats their tongues defile. In ambush they lie, unseen, unheard. The innocent they trap like birds, crushing the weak with merciless hands. Ruthless, they ravage peaceful lands. God has forgotten, they proclaim, hides his face, he feels no shame. But you, O Lord, see all their ways, judge the deeds of darkest days.